Top 6 things you should know about Botox brow lift. Here is some essential information about this popular procedure, with all that you need to know about its benefits, longevity, and how it stands alongside other treatments. Let's begin. Number 1. How Botox brow lift works. A Botox brow lift works with carefully injected neuromodulators like Botox into specific muscles around the forehead and eyebrows. This relaxes the muscles that pull the brows down, allowing the muscles that lift the brows to work more effectively, resulting in a subtle elevation of the brow area. This treatment not only raises the brows, but also smooths forehead wrinkles, enhancing your overall facial expression. Number 2. Duration of results. The effects of a Botox brow lift are not permanent, but offer a temporary rejuvenation that can last anywhere from 3 to 6 months. The longevity of results depends on individual factors such as muscle strength, metabolism, and the amount of product used. Number 3. Expected results. Patients can anticipate a more alert and open appearance of the eyes, with a gentle lift to the brows that enhances the natural shape. It's an excellent option for those looking to soften the signs of aging or reduce the appearance of a heavy brow without altering their fundamental expression. Number 4. Aftercare and maintenance. Aftercare for a Botox brow lift is minimal. Patients are advised to avoid rubbing the treated area for the first few hours and to stay upright, which helps the Botox to settle correctly. Regular maintenance sessions are recommended to preserve the desired appearance. Number 5. Comparison with other treatments. Unlike a surgical brow lift that offers more dramatic results and involves downtime, the Botox brow lift is non-invasive with no recovery period, making it an attractive option for those seeking subtle enhancements. Subtle brow lifts can also be achieved with energy-based devices like Ultherapy. In comparison, Botox provides a precise control over the brow's elevation. Additionally, combining Botox with dermal fillers in the temples or hairline can further enhance the lifting effect and improve facial harmony, offering a comprehensive approach to facial rejuvenation. Number 6. Choosing the right clinic. For optimal results, it's crucial to choose a skilled medical practitioner experienced in facial aesthetics. The success of a Botox brow lift relies on the injector's understanding of facial anatomy and ability to tailor the treatment to each patient's unique features. If you're considering a non-surgical approach to refresh and elevate your brow area, the Botox brow lift may be the right solution. Your self-care journey starts with us. For personalized care and tailored treatment plans, book a consultation today with one of our experienced professionals at Sparrow MD.